Okay, so we are here taking a look back at this customer washer customer call and say the washer is leaking. After we've been here, changed the not changed but we clean out the drain pump assembly a few months ago. So as you could see, absolutely no leak coming from under the machine. It's completely dry under here. If the machine was leaking, water would actually get into here and start collecting, and you can see it's pretty dry under there, with the exception of the little water that's leaking out the front of the door. It does make its way down there, but nothing is leaking here with the machine. The leak is happening with the actual supply hose. You can see the condition of it there, and it's actually leaking. So that's what's been causing the accumulation of water here in the floor. All right.